What? Okay, I did not order this chutney. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Seap and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm doing a mini haul. Like I ordered some of some stuff from Nykaa and some from Amazon, and just thought I'll do an unboxing video kind of a thing. So yeah, let's unbox. So there's all this stuff and there's actually a couple more, so let me just get everything and then we unbox. Okay. There are also 2 PR boxes which I'll just unbox with you guys, and also there's a box that's come off my husband's. Some glasses he ordered, I'll just unbox that too, why not? Another thing, just want to say, because I had made this video a few days back saying that I'm gonna try and do most of my videos in Hindi. Being very honest, yaar, nahi ho raha hai mujhse. I mean, see, it's not like, you know, I don't know how to talk in Hindi and all. Of course I know, अच्छे से आती है Hindi, ऐसी बात नहीं है. But that fluency that I get in English, because that is something that I talk, say, about 99% of the time, I don't get that in Hindi. And Hindi में video करते time मुझे बहुत सोचना पड़ता है, बहुत समझना पड़ता है. Like that fluency, like it's not me, you know what I mean? And I don't want to just fake it or whatever. So I'm not clearly that comfortable in Hindi, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna keep a mix of both. And if you are a Hindi viewer and अगर आपको कोई questions है या कोई ऐसा specific video है कि आप चाहते हैं कि मैं हिंदी में उसको repeat करके बनाऊँ, honestly मुझे problem नहीं है. For example, there was this one of my subscriber who said that जो face shaving video है, that is specifically in English, right? तो वो आप हिंदी में बना दो. I'd love to. I'll repeat it and make it in Hindi. And if you have any other questions, if you know, which you're not understanding, write it down in the comments below, or just DM me on Instagram. I will immediately reply back to you in Hindi, whatever language you're comfortable with. I mean, of course I should know that language. So yeah, just want to put out there that it's a little difficult for me to speak in Hindi. Anyways, let's unbox. Okay, so I thought I'll start with the PR unboxing first. Now, I actually had opened this up because it wasn't written who it's from and I was just curious. And this came, I think, about a day back or so. So, let me show you. This is the box. And any guesses? So, it's from Bioderma. Bioderma, I'm sure you all know, it's micellar water, and they expect me to create a YouTube video on it very soon. So I'm gonna use this product and probably create a YouTube video on it. So, and I'll just give my honest reviews on it. I have used this before. I mean, it's a pretty decent micellar water, and I really like the box that they have given me. I can probably keep my makeup stuff or my lipstick stuff or whatever in it. I quite like their packaging. So Bioderma, if you're watching this, thank you so much for sending. If you all are new to my channel is new. My hair is pretty much going to be like this all the time because I still don't know what to do with my hair. It's just this, and I don't like blow drying my hair because I don't like using a lot of heat on my hair. So it's just what it is. Anyways, moving on to the next PR box that I got is from Mother Sparsh. So they have recently come out with a new ingredient in their skincare routine. I have not used this brand before. It's going to be my first time, and they have, what I really like about it is they have given us a good 15 to 20 days to try out their product and then review about it. It's not just simply ki, okay, I'm giving you the product today, use it tomorrow, review it day after, which is like, matlab, what will I say, right? But I appreciate that they've given thoka thaki chalu ho gayi hai chalu. So anyways, let me unbox it. I have got my unboxing scissors. These are my yellow scissors. So actually I dhapo-fied from a hotel because I just like them. Ooh, there are quite a lot of products inside. So let me open it. Sometimes I wish that, arey yaar, this thoka thaki, what am I gonna do? Okay, so there are quite a lot of products here, so I'll just go through all one by one. Sometimes I wish I had a nice setup, you know. Eventually, maybe down the line, probably. So, they have sent me plant powdered ultra rich face cream with kokum butter and lavender oil, anti-pigmentation and improves skin texture. Mother Sparsh. They have a big indie. So I'm not going to get into all the products right now because I will be making specific videos on all these products once I use them. But generally, I'll just open and show you guys what is what. So this is their face cream. Then they have sent me body butter. It's all in the same range of plant powdered. Then they have sent me under eye recovery gel, which is avocado oil and cucumber extract. Then I have their plant powdered face mask. I absolutely love face masks. If you're a brand watching this, send me all your face masks. I love. And the last thing is a face wash. So it's basically their entire skincare routine kind of a thing, where you have a face wash, you have a face mask, an under eye thing, a face cream, and a body butter as well. So something for the body as well. So an entire range kind of thing. I will be using all of these products. They kind of look quite promising and nice. And if you're into organic, they're certified organic ingredients as well. And if you're into, organic skincare and all, I think you might like it. And they've given me a small, nice, cute little card. Anyways, let's move on to the next one. Let's open the Nykaa parcels first and then we'll move to Amazon. Amazon, actually, I ordered quite a few things. That's majorly like content creation related. I ordered some equipments, some phone stands, like tripods, all of that. And one of the orders actually came, and I know I'm saying it in between, but I just want you guys to know that every time you order anything online, right, be it from Amazon or Nykaa, do thoroughly check it, because when I got my parcel, right, Amazon ka, I had ordered a certain brand and the box was of that brand, but the inside material was of some other brand, which actually, if you notice it, tabhi aapko pata lagega. But dude, like, you really have to be very vigilant कि आप क्या मंगा रहे हो और आपको वही आया है कि नहीं. Because I'll tell you honestly, थोड़ा story time. मेरा एक friend था, whatever. He ordered an iPhone which was 128 GB from Amazon because he was getting cheaper there or something like that. Now when he got the box, it was 128 GB. But when he went inside the specifications, of the phone, just likha hota hai that what is your phone about, what is the GB and all of that. Dude, it was 64 GB. Like you can't trust anything. You can't trust anyone. So yeah. Like, in fact, do this thing even if you buy it from a shop, because like this world is going to dogs. Okay, so the first thing from Nykaa, let's unbox it. You know what, one thing that I don't like about Nykaa is that I ordered 4 things and they've literally sent me 4 boxes, like separate boxes for all the 4 things. मुझे problem नहीं, आप मुझे 2 दिन बाद भेज दोगे यार, मतलब एक साथ भेज दो ना, like 4 boxes, why? Anyway, mostly I order makeup only from Nykaa, but this time I ordered some jewelry stuff as well because just wanted to. So I got this from Jewels Galaxy. If you guys happen to like these products or want to buy it, right, I'll leave a link in the description box. There's so many times I've said that I'm going to leave links in the description box, and I'll just not leave them because I'll just, when I'm after editing and there's so much, I'll just laze out and be like, sure, nah. But no, I'll do it. I'll do it seriously this time. Also, I'm new to YouTube and all, and like just getting used to it, and somewhere like after my job and all, it's like extra work now, which I want to do. I'm up for it, but hota hai na kabhi baar that you just become lazy at times. It's normal. Anyways, but I'm very much serious about YouTube, and I'm gonna try and be very regular and all of that. So pretty. Look at this. So I got this is a pearl earring, and this one actually I have in silver, I think. And then these gold drops, and then these little bit diamonds, and this is one hair clip. It's quite pretty actually. Let me just try the hair clip on. My hair is like one weird ghosla, like, what is my hair? What is up with my hair? Anyways, I really liked the earrings, especially this pearl ones. I'm gonna let me wear one and show you now. Like, let me try. Like, I am not much of a fashion person. I am more of a skincare, all of that. But when it comes to fashion, not really that big a fan, like as you can see, of dressing up and everything, but yeah, sometimes I don't mind. अब इसको पहनने में मुझे प्रॉब्लम होगा. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but they're a little difficult to wear because you see this is a bit hooked. So I'm not able to figure out how to make it in. Anyways, I will figure it out offline and probably wear it in one of my next videos. Moving on. Next box. Oh, I called for this Earth Rhythm Milk 2 Gel with pink pomelo extract cleansing gel. I was looking forward to buy this since quite a time, and my cleansing gel got over. Those of you don't know or are new to my channel and still sticking around, I am a skincare enthusiast. Like, I absolutely love taking care of my skin. Like, I'm not saying my skin is perfect, nope, but I'm getting there. Oh, it's really cute. The packaging is very cute. See? And this is not a review video, so I am going to review all of these products in the future as well. This is the cap. It's a really cute packaging. It actually looks like a jam, you know, like I literally just feel like spreading it on a bread and eating it. Looks that cute. It doesn't really have any fragrance, which is great because I don't like I like a little bit of fragrance, but I don't like a lot of fragrance in the products. Fragrance is also not very good for your skin, and actually it makes me sick. Like, do you have that feeling that sometimes, you know, your nose tends to get blocked when you have a lot of fragrance? But that happens with me. If it happens with you also, let me know in the comments below. Next one. Okay, so I ordered something from Joker and Witch. Honestly, I am not a jewelry person. Like, you'd see me sometimes wear earrings, that's it. But Joker and Witch, even for somebody who's not a jewelry person, I was just going and scrolling through their page on Nykaa. They have some really cute and affordable stuff if you guys want to check out. Like, someone who's not even a jewelry person, I was getting, you know, excited seeing the stuff they have. Should I just saw myself looking bhangi? Like, I really need to start dressing up and coming for these YouTube videos now. Like, is what I ordered. Ooh, too many. Okay, this is gonna be a pain to entangle them. It's gonna take me a while to do this, so let's just do this together. I'm gonna do this offline and come back. No, not happening. Just not happening. And I don't have the kind of patience to do this. Like, so this is what it looks like. This is what I got. It's just impossible to entangle because, you know, it's like it's hooked to one chain, one knot. Like, it's not different chains. So it's very, like, what am I supposed to do? Anyways, I'll figure that out because this is going to take me a while to entangle and probably update you guys on my Instagram page or probably in my next video when I wear it. But I will entangle it. I hope I just don't break it. But this is not the way that a brand should give. If they know that something is that hard to entangle, like, give it properly, na then. Like, this is not what you're... Like, I was so excited. This is the one thing that I was super excited about. And this is how I get it. Next video, or next box. Last box, Nykaa. My moods only become off, yeah. Last I got the Pond's micellar water. I love trying out different micellar waters. So now I'm trying the Pond's one. I will review this also soon. So moving on to the Amazon parcels. Amazon parcels are always the most difficult for me to open. So randomly packed. You guys feel the same? Oh, I got this tripod, Ulanzi. And I got Ulanzi's this mold, like to hold your phone and stuff. And I got this Ulanzi light to shoot. I am going to talk about these in my other channel, which is more related to YouTube content, or how to make YouTube content. If you're a new YouTuber like me, you know, what are the struggles we are facing and what to do, what not to do, kind of a thing. It's basically my YouTube journal, which I have created another channel. So I will leave that description down below as well if you guys are interested in following that. I will not bore you with these things. If you guys want, you can watch that other channel because I'll be unboxing it in that as well. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so my husband's box, I'm not gonna unbox it. I mean, I know I said it, but it's not nice to open somebody else's parcels, even though it might be your husband, because you know, everybody has their own privacy, and I don't want to, like, even though we live together, I don't want to invade in his like that. So it's not nice. I mean, it'd be fun, but it's not nice. So I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, so that's about it. You will see future reviews on all of these products that I opened. And I'll probably fix the jewelry stuff as well, because मेरा पूरा दिन ही आज उसी में जाने वाला है मुझे लगता है. Yeah, that's about it. So if you guys liked my video, do consider subscribing. My channel is going to be all about beauty, self-care, makeup, and even though I don't look like any of it right now, but I sometimes kind of not look this jhadu as well. Yeah, but I'm more of a natural beauty kind of a person. You're not gonna see me do, like, I mean, I might try, but you're not gonna see me do a lot of atrangi looks, if that's how I want to say it. I mean, they're good, I'm not saying that they're bad, but it's just something that I feel that I can't step out of the house and wear, kind of a thing. Anyway, so this is what my channel is going to be about, and whenever I do travel, I would love to make vlogs on it, and wherever I shop and unboxing videos. So that's the kind of content I am going to make in the future. On my other channel, if you're a new YouTuber, as I said, you're going to I'll try and help out new YouTubers as well, like me, and what are the problems that I am facing and all of that, and how do you solve them, like basic stuff that I'm going to upload as a journal. Like, as I learn, I will be sharing with you guys all of that. So if you're a new YouTuber, you can consider subscribing to that channel as well. So that's about it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Another thing, right after you guys open parcels, do not forget to wash your hands. Okay, bye.